Hi students, this is your Jhansi ma'am. In this video, we are going to discuss what is chemical bond. What is chemical bond? So what is meant by chemical bond? Okay, so here the chemical bond is nothing but, if you come to its definition part, the attractive force which holds two or more atoms or ions together is called a chemical bond. So here, what is meant by attractive force? Here the attractive force, to understand this topic, we can discuss about magnets. You know about magnets, right? Okay. Magnet, what is its nature? It will attract iron, these kind of things, right? For example, here you take two magnets. Whatever type of magnets. Okay. One beside another, if you keep, what will happen? These two will come and join with each other, right? They will come and join, right? Similarly, beside of one magnet, you put one small iron nail. You try to put one small iron nail. So again, what will happen? This magnet will attract this. Iron nail. So here what is happening? Both together, because of some specific force, both are joining together. It is nothing but attractive force. Similarly, we have to discuss another also, ions. About the atoms we know. Atoms are generally neutral, we have discussed. Atoms are neutral in nature. Why atoms are neutral? Because of the number of protons is equals to number of electrons. Because of this, atoms are neutral in nature. But in case the atom lose the electron, or if the atom gain the electron, what will happen? In this both cases, charged species will form. Means this atom becomes charged species. Means on its head charge will form. For example, if atom lose the electron, atom will get the positive charge. If atom gain the electron, it will get the negative charge. So for example, we will take now sodium, and another example we will take chlorine. Okay, in this case sodium actually lose the electron. Because of this losing of one electron, sodium converted as Na+. So if it loses, it will get the positive charge. Atom will get the positive charge. In the case of chlorine, if you observe, it will gain the electron. So chlorine atom will convert as a chloride ion. So if atom, in the case of losing of electrons or gaining of electrons, atom converted into charged species. That charged species is nothing but ion. Clear, students? So now here, try to understand the definition. The attractive force, what it will do? It will hold. Means this attractive force will hold two or more. It is not compulsory only two atoms. It may be more also. And it is not only atoms. It may be ions also. Right? Okay, two or more atoms, or the attractive force which holds two or more ions together. Means it will hold the two or more atoms or two or more ions. Is nothing but chemical bond. So here chemical bond, it is nothing but it is one attractive force between the atoms or ions. So simply, if you want to remember what is chemical bond, it is attractive force present between atoms or ions. In this simple form, you can remember the definition of chemical bond. Okay, so once again students, the attractive force which holds two or more atoms or ions together is called a chemical bond. So it is just attractive force where it present between the atoms or ions. That's it. I hope you understand how ions will form. Okay. Thank you.